Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I have started a new programming series on PHP, and this is the part 7 of that. And who are watching this part, I'll share that just watch my previous parts from part 1 to part 6. And each part I have discussed one topic, and with discussed, and each topic I discussed in detail and with the practical examples. So just after watching part 1 to part 6, you can watch this part so that you can understand well and you can learn in detail. Okay, so in this PHP programming tutorial part 7, I'll discuss about the PHP numeric functions. Okay, now what the numeric functions exist in PHP are you already seen on the screen. Those are the important numeric functions which are in PHP programming. Number 1 is Ceil, number 2 floor, number 3 is numeric, number 4 is int, number 5 ABS, number 6 sqrt, number 7 POW, number 8 fmod, number 9 decbin, number 10 bindec, and number 11 round. So I'll discuss every functions one by one, and I'll show you how it can be used in PHP programming. Okay, so I'm going to my script here. So already I'm using this script for each part. So okay, if you are watching my previous if you already watched my previous tutorial parts on PHP programming, you know I am using this script. So for this tutorial, to explain it quickly and show the output quickly, I have already written some code here. So I will explain one by one and I'll show you the output. Okay, so first one is Ceil. So I'm taking this example. So here let's say I have taking a variable that is number, and this is 3.14. What Ceil does, Ceil function rounded off the value to its upper level. Okay, so 3.14, if I use the Ceil function on 3.14, let's say let's see what will be the output. So I'm making it I'm using it here, Ceil as 3.14, and I am just I'll display the output of that. So I'll use this function here. Okay, so I'm giving the function name like this, variable name like this, v underscore Ceil, and I'm just showing the output using the echo command. Okay, so now I can see what is the output. I am just running my program. This is 4, right? So 3.14 will be 4 if I use the Ceil function. Okay, okay, and next one is what is the next function? Floor. Okay, I'll use this in the program. Okay, so floor, what it does, it will round it down the number which I can take. Okay, so in 3.14 I am using the floor function here. So I'm using the floor of function of on 3.14, and I am displaying the output here. Let's see what is the output comes. So I'm running my file, so it is coming 3. Okay, all right. Next is numeric. I'll show you how it will be used. So I'm taking the same variable number, and now I'll have to write a condition in PHP, and PHP condition is written by if statement, and if is numeric is the function of num, that is the number. So if it is a numeric function, it is a numeric value, so it will display the output, it is a number. Okay, so PHP numeric function have two parts, so one is integer and another is floating point number or double. Okay, whether it is an integer or whether it is a double, it will show the it is a number. Okay, it is a floating point number, so let's see the output. So it is a number. Okay, and if I just write 3, it will show the same output. Okay, because it will treat it is a number, and floating point number and whole number will be treated as a number in PHP. Okay, so I am just commenting out here, and I'll move for the next function. Next function is int. It will check the if it is a integer value or not. So here I am using the if condition, conditional statement in PHP. If it is a integer value, it will display it is a whole number, otherwise it will display it is a floating point number. Okay, so this is the another part of the PHP programming. You already learning that in this part that how conditional statement is being written. Okay, so this is the conditional statement written in PHP. So if the condition is true, then it will execute some statement. If the condition is false, it will execute some other statements. Okay, so it is 3.14, so it should come, it is a floating point number. Let's see what is the output. It is a floating point number. Okay, and if I make it 3, so it will come the whole number. Okay, so it is a whole number. Okay, right, fine. Now I will move for the next function. And what is the next function? Next function is abs, which will give the absolute value. Okay, now I'll go to my script and I'll use the abs function for that, and for this I'll use this this variable. Okay, I'm just commenting this variable. Okay, it is already there actually in okay. Now I am taking number is 9, so I'll use the absolute function on that. So I am using another variable which is where I use the abs function on that variable. My number is here 9 I have declared, and assign the value 9, and it will, let's see what it is giving the output. It is 9. Okay, so absolute value of 9 will be 9. Irrespective of positive or negative number I have taken, it will print the or it will display the absolute value, that is the number only. Okay, if I let's see, if I use a negative number, it will give the output as the 9 only. Okay, so this is the use of abs function or absolute value function. Fine. Now I'm just making it comment. Now I'll go for next function. Next function is sqrt, that is square root. So I'll take a value. Okay, I'm taking the same variable, and I am using this function on that variable, on that value, or yeah, this is the sqrt function I have used. and I am displaying the output here. Let's see what is the output. So sqrt will give the square root of 9. It is coming 3. Okay, fine. Okay, now I'll just comment it, and next function is POW, power. That will I'm using the same value of number, that is num. I have initiated is 9, so it will be 81. Our output will be 81. Let's see what is the output. 81, it is coming, right? Okay, fine. Now next is fmod, that is modulus function, and I'll use the same value for modulus 9, and this is taking two parameter. One is the value number variable, and another is the divider. Okay, so it will come 1. Okay, so our expected result will be 1, so it is coming 1. Okay, fine, understand? Okay, now next function is decbin, that means decimal to binary. Okay, so decimal to binary, it will convert actually decimal number to the binary number. I am using this number as 3. Okay, so now our output should be 11. Okay, now let's see what is the output coming. It is 11. Okay, fine. Now next function is binary to decimal. It will convert binary number to decimal number. Okay, so I'm just using the number as 11. Okay, now I'll use the number 11. Okay, I'm taking this as number 2, and here I'm using here the function number 2. I am using this function. We have been DEC, so binary to decimal. Let's see the output. Its output will be 3. Okay, 3, it is coming. Okay, it is coming. The expected result is coming. Okay, fine. Now next is round function. Okay, so in the round function, what it will do is it will generate a round. It will generate a random number. Okay, that is rand function. Okay, not round. That is rand. R-A-N-D. Already I have. This will be a round rand function. Okay, so I am using here. So random value, it will be generate any random value. Just if I write rand and start and close bracket, it will generate a random value. Any random value it will generate. Okay, let's see the output. So this is any random value it will be generating actually, and I can use of another type. I can make its use another way. Let's check what is the another way of using rand function. So if I use like this function, rand function like this, rand, I am giving two range of number, so it will give the output any random number in between, which is in between these two number. Okay, 500 and 1000. Let's check. It is giving 859. Okay, any random number it is generating. Okay, so that's all for this numeric functions. I already covered all the numeric functions. Okay, so I hope you have understood well, and I have shown the examples for each, and this is all about this tutorial. And if you just learning from my tutorial, you just give a like for this tutorial. And also if you watched already my previous videos, if you like my videos, and if you are getting knowledge from my video, you just give a like, and also share with your friends and colleagues so that they can also learn from this tutorial. and also